A car traveling at average rate of 58.5 miles per hour made a trip in 4 hours. If it had traveled at average speed of 52 miles per hour, how many minutes more would the trip have taken? So first, what we have given? We have given that average rate of speed is 58.5 miles per hour. And a trip is 4 hours. So we know that the speed is distance over time. So from this formula we can calculate the distance because we have given speed and we have given time. So we will have the distance which the car must pass. And when we have the distance, we will calculate the time when the car travels 52 miles per hour. And when we have the time for which the car passed this distance, we will find the difference between these two. And so now let's first calculate the distance. We will substitute speed by 58.5. This is equal, we have to find the distance, so let me write the D. And the time is 4 hours. So now I will multiply both sides by 4. 4 and 4 will reduce, and we have that distance is equal 4 times 58.5 is 234. So we found the distance is 234 miles. We can write in brackets. When we have a distance, so we can now go to second part of our problem and we can calculate the time which the car needs to pass the distance 234 miles in speed of 52 miles per hour. So again we will use this formula. Speed is distance over time. Speed now is 52. Distance, we calculate that is 234 and we have to find the time. So now first we will multiply both sides by t because we need to find the t, and t we have in denominator, so we multiply both sides by t. So t and t will reduce and we have that 52t is equal to 34. So now we will divide both sides by 52. So 52 and 52 will reduce and we have that t is equal to 34 divided by 52. This is equal 4.5, of course, hours. So we got that when the car will travel with the speed 52 miles per hour, the car needs 4.5 hours to pass the same distance, 234 miles. So when we have the times, now we have to calculate how many minutes more would the trip have taken. So the first car traveled 4 hours when the speed was 58.5 miles per hour, and when the speed was 52 miles per hour, the car traveled 4.5 hours. So we have to subtract 4.5 hours minus 4 hours. So this is equal 0.4 hours. So half of hour. So this is equal 30 minutes. So we found how much longer the car will travel when the speed will be 52 miles per hour. It takes 30 minutes more. This is my solution.